Hello everyone. Today is midweek. This last shot for midweek. This is our last shot for midweek. This is our last result for midweek. So this midweek paper. So this lapping now. Single 717. We are going to work on it. Single 717. This MSP. This is MSP 2014. Year 2013. Year 2013. At event 430. Event 430. Play single 717 last boss. First of all, play you single 7, single 5. This single 7, this single 7, single 5. After single 7, single 5, play you this slapping single 7, 17. Single 7, 17. The single 7, 17 last boss. Single 7, 17 last boss. So 17 now we are expecting 17 to counter to 62. This number to counter to 62, 62 midweek. Today is 12 today 2025 midweek. So let's write 62. 62. Let's write 62. 62. So 62 now will be our banker. Singles this lapping single 717. This number is going to counter to 62 to 62 to 62. So single 717, single 7, single 5, follow with 17. After 17, this number is going to counter to 62. So this number is going to counter to 62. This number. So and again, let's come to this event in fortune. This fortune. This is lucky. No, this is in lucky. This lucky paper. This lucky paper. Now this event. Year 2015. This is 2015. Year 2015. This is 2015. In lucky at event 419. Event 419. Event 419 is a messaging program. Play 2332 number with Tony. Lap as first boss. 2332. Play 2332. So 2332 play with 89. Play with 89. So 2332 play with 89. This is 2332 play with 89. So 2332 play with 89. So 32 now is going to if 32 this lapping is producing 67. 67 is producing 67. So this number, this lapping produces 67. So we are going to carry 32 repeated. 32 repeated. So 32 repeated. 32 repeated. So let's join 32 repeat with 67. This lapping game 2332 is producing 67. So this lapping now is producing 67. 3289. This number with code 32 is producing 67 as repeated. So this number is going to repeat. So 67, 22, 32, 67. This number is stand. So now come to 2017 at event 541. This is defense 3272. Defense 40. 3272 close. 3272 close. So our next banker from this event will be 62. 62. So 62. 3272. So we are expecting 62. 62. We are expecting 62. 3272. The number that move 62. So we are going to use 62 as free banker. 62 will be our banker. So this number is going to counter. So has come to this event. In 2020 at event 678 play 8919. This is 8919. 89 90 position game. So the center box pronounced. Center box producing 88 88. So let's join 88 2 2. So any lotto that play 32 and 52, your next banker will be 22. So 62 is free banker. Our two direct will be 62 67. 63 67. So free banker will be 62. So this packing is producing 67. So and this number is going to counter. So our two direct 62 67. So bless us.